Video conferencing is ready for its close-up. Eagle Eye Director from Polycom changes the game by delivering breakthrough innovation, enabling close-ups of every person in the room and conveying subtle expressions and body language, revolutionizing collaboration and transforming disengaged meetings into personalized, immersive telepresence conferences. Eagle Eye Director makes meetings more productive and frees people from the distractions of remote controls. Eagle Eye Director automatically transitions between active speakers by using patent-pending voice triangulation and face-finding technology, intelligently emulating a professional studio production. The result? Each speaker is precisely and accurately framed, dramatically enriching communication quality, conference dynamics, and productivity. Ideal for meeting rooms, classrooms, boardrooms, and more. Eagle Eye Director improves knowledge sharing, speeds user adoption, and delivers faster ROI. In the drive for superlative UC experiences, there's Polycom, and then there's all the rest. Experience the transformation of breakthrough UC today, only from Polycom.